Hey, what's happening, guys? This is Rupesh from Absolute Gizmos, and we're gonna have an unboxing of the Asus Zenfone 5. So let's talk about the specs of the Asus Zenfone 5. Uh, as it says, the name 5. It's a 5-inch screen phone. The 720p screen resolution, which makes about 294 ppi, and it comes with the internal storage of 18 or 64 gigabytes. Mm, to be thing, it comes with an 8 megapixel rear camera, and it comes with Jelly Bean out of the box, which is upgradable to KitKat. So we'll have a look. And in terms of the processor, it's with the Intel processor, Intel Atom Z2580, which is dual core 2 gigahertz. And about the battery, it has the 2110 milliamp hour battery. So we'll unbox the phone and keep this thing in detail. So let's just open it up. So here's the phone, and here's the phone, the 5-inch. I told you, the 5-inch phone, then 8 megapixel camera with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Oh, it has a Gorilla Glass 3. And here's the phone, and it's quite brilliantly built. The build is quite amazing. It's plastic, but I guess the build, I'm quite impressed with the build. What's this? Oh, it's the way to, it has a removable back, so let's just open it up and oh, it has a non-removable battery. Here's the SIM 1 slot, here's the SIM 2 slot, and here's the memory card slot. And non-removable battery, that was not expected, yeah, but still quite a good build quality. So let's just see about the phone, how it is. At the top we have 3.5mm headphone jack with the noise cancelling mic. This is the power button, this is the volume up, volume down button, and at the bottom we have micro USB and the microphone, the primary microphone. And at this side we have nothing to until to remove. At the back, this is the 8 megapixel single LED flash, and here's some Intel inside, and here's the Zenfone naming with above the speaker grill, and here's Asus written over here. So we'll keep the phone aside and we'll look into the what's inside the box. We have the warranty card, a normally plain warranty card, and some user manual. I think you must go through it. We have a travel adapter. We have a travel adapter of output is 1.35 ampere. Oh, quite a good charger, and a normal micro USB cable, and in-ear headphones. It are just an headphones, I guess, no mic to it, and some earbuds. So that's in the box. Let's just keep all this aside and look at the phone. We already had a glimpse of the phone, so let's just turn on it. So yes, powered by Android. And it's booting up. I'm pretty impressed with the looks of the phone. I guess it's quite amazing. So we'll just keep this part. So here are we completed the setup, and you can look at the lock screen, is quite pretty. impressive with the call camera and the message button, and it shows about the weather now and tomorrow, and the lock screen is quite amazing, and you can see all this. I'm pretty impressed with it. So here's the home screen. When I was actually signing up this starting initial process, it asked for the Google account, and it comes with a cloud storage from the Asus itself. So here you can see the glimpse of the user interface, and I'm pretty impressed. It's quite smooth, and yeah, as we swipe down, here's the notification, and when you swipe down from here, these are the toggles. You have a huge amount of toggles. The RAM booster, it comes pre-installed. It has an auto brightness too. So we'll just check out this in setting what version it comes up with. So it's right now at 4.3 jelly bean, and as per the information given by the Asus, it has an KitKat update too. So it comes with some of the pre-installed bloatware such as the Super Note, which is an amazing note editor from the Asus. As you can see, here are some of the meeting records which they have kept, and we have the diagrams. We can draw some diagrams, you know. That's why I wanted to show one of the best note editor app which comes pre-installed is what I've seen in the Asus. There is a link in the description for the Asus pad phone review too. Okay, so here's the menu. As we can see, it's totally customized, where we have the all section, we have the download section. So it comes with pre-installed the Flipboard, the SoundHound, the Townin radio. It has also the frequent app, as we are opening it for the first time, so we don't have anything. So that's inside it. So we'll just play a video from YouTube. Let's go to our channel and let's play a video and give you the glimpse of what's the viewing angles on this. So sorry, it's buffering, I don't know, maybe because of low Wi-Fi. So as you can see, the viewing angles are pretty much okay. I can't say those are good, but are quite okay. The 5-inch screen clarity are quite okay. The viewing angles are quite okay, and the speaker is located at back, and it's a decent speaker. I can say it's a complete decent speaker. And the response over the device response is quite pretty well, as you can see. So that's about the viewing angles. Let's just have an there's something turbo mode too. We have few modes in the camera. We have the selfie mode, we have the night mode, the miniature mode, low light mode, HDR, miniature depth of field, beautification, smart remote, GIF animation. So we will talk about in depth later. So we'll just go to our website. The keyboard is pretty well. I mean, the response, I mean, the numerical keypad or the about the alphanumeric keypad, not the alphanumeric, the QWERTY, that's quite really important when you are typing up your email, which has an numbers too. So as you can see, it loads up pretty well. Let's open up a post so that we will get a better idea. So quite a pretty well, we'll do all the benchmarking tests for you in an in-depth review. So right now we will be going up and let me show you the gallery. It's quite even customized, the photo shot which we shotted it, and the device response is pretty well, as you can see, and even the zooming is quite smooth. So that's all with the Asus Zenfone 5.